Hello Lakeway teachers. I'm going to make a quick video on how to access your Discovery Education account. This account is temporary. Our contract will end in June, but this is a fantastic resource that you guys can use over the next couple of months to see how you like it. It has a lot of different content areas, and I think it'll be a really great resource for you guys. So what you're looking at currently, this is our code for Discovery Education. So you'll want to highlight that, copy it, and paste it as you go in to start your Discovery Education account. We'll also put this in our Teams channel so you can have access to it there as well as this training video. So your next step will be to go to discoveryeducation.com. You can do that via Google. Down at the bottom, you'll want to use passcode to create new user. Once you click here, it will ask you to enter the passcode I just spoke about, and it'll ask you a few questions: your name, grades you're interested in, content areas, a couple of questions, and then you will generate your own username and password. Once you have access to that, feel free to browse Discovery Ed and see what works well for you. It is also embedded into Teams, so if you wanted to go to one of your classes, this is my test team, down at the bottom you'll have our Discovery Education link already there. So you can click that, assuming you're signed in. If you're not, it'll prompt you to sign in, and you can search something that you want to talk to students about. So I'm going to search proper citation methods, and a number of resources pop up here that you can share with your students. So give it a try. If you like it, let us know. But I think it'll be a great resource for you guys to use. That's all for now.